Hello everybody. If you have a Trane ComfortLink II, which has been crashing lately over the last 30 days, this thermostat was installed during construction of this home. So the Trane dealer was out to take a look at it, and it took them a while to figure it out, but I will share with you what they did to fix this. Firstly, if you don't know how to remove this thermostat, I'll put a link up in the upper right hand corner here. I created a video on how to get the 1050 thermostat off of the sub base. So check out that video if you don't know how to do that. Once you get the thermostat off, there is a row of pins that plug into the sub base. In this case, this thermostat only has 3 wires coming up to it. When they pulled the thermostat out and then plugged it back in, it was completely unresponsive. And what they finally decided was that the single row header pins, one of the pins was bent and making intermittent contact. Here's a picture of the sub base, and these are the sockets for the 3 pins, B/C, R, and D. In my system, these 4 connections are not used. There are only 3 wires coming up to these 3 terminals. And in my case, it was this terminal, the B/C terminal on the thermostat itself, that was bent and making poor contact. Here's a picture of the back of the thermostat after you get it off the sub base. And these are the pins. The pins are on the back of the thermostat itself, so there are pins 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. These 3 pins right here are the most important ones, marked B/C, R, and D. So it's these 3 pins that have wires connected to them. Since that's the common for the 24 volts, that explains why if there's an intermittent connection there, there's no power to the control at all, and therefore this display will go blank. On my thermostat, it was this B/C pin, the pin you see here on the far left, that was damaged. Here's a troubleshooting guide for the thermostat, and you'll see right here, display will not come on, loss of 24 volts between R and B at the 1050 control. So that's the R and B connection that I just showed you, and it says check wiring between R and B. So that tells me that the fix that the Trane dealer implemented is probably the correct fix, and that they've corrected that connection there by straightening out that pin. So if you're having that problem, before you get your dealer out and spend a lot of money replacing this thermostat, pull the thermostat off the wall, take a look at the single row of pins. They're right about here, and make sure that they're all straight. Plug your unit back in, and that might take care of your problem. According to the Trane technician, he says we see a lot of this. We either see missing pins or bent pins. He says, I'm surprised that yours went this long before it started acting up. Every now and then I would walk by the thermostat and I would see it initializing, or the screen would be unresponsive, and I haven't had any problems with it up until the last 30 days. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.